I'm Charlotte Wilcock, the Project Development Officer responsible for Project 3, increasing green spaces. Through the project we had a number of outputs to include 25 trees, which we have surpassed and are currently standing at 346 as part of the project. A target of 100 square metres of green space to be improved, which at the current time is 722.54 square metres, with more planned before the end of the funding period, and a target of 6 amenities, which we're currently at 8 amenities improved and developed, with more coming before the end of the project in March 2025. Included in the project, we have a range of initiatives, including urban tree planting to increase air quality improvements, biodiversity and carbon reduction. It also increases the absorption of surface water runoff in our urban areas. We've worked with local schools, primary and high school, to include urban trees for the areas, and also screens for privacy and also air quality improvements on the school grounds. We've been working with the Inter-Service Committee in Connah's-Quay to develop a memorial garden to commemorate soldiers fallen during the wars, and also at the Connah's-Quay docks at the Kathleen and May Heritage Centre to include planters as part of a wider development of the Heritage Centre for use for the public.
My name's Lucy Williams and I work at Flint High School. Our school became involved in the project as we were contacted by Flintshire County Council's Regeneration team. Flintshire County Council had been awarded funding to increase urban canopy coverage within the area. This was perfect timing for our school as we'd had some trees which had fallen down and had been cut down, so it helped us replant in these areas and also extend the perimeter. This project has been really beneficial for our Eco Committee within Flint High School. It's allowed them to see what small actions can do at a large scale, and it also helps them with planning future projects around the school, where we will be really working towards increasing biodiversity within our school environment.
Planting these trees around school have been very beneficial, especially with all the CO2 that we are emitting from cars and all the other chopping down the trees and that. It also tidies up our school, and it helps our school and as a community do our bit towards climate change. It has also helped with the wildlife and the places for them to live.
Once these trees are fully grown, if they haven't already, they will introduce biodiversity into our community, which offers a lot of learning experience when it comes to habitation and learn about all these different insects.
I'm chair and treasurer of what we call the Inter-Service, an organisation, non-for-profit. All it does is keep Connah's-Quay and Deeside remembering the soldiers that have fallen. Our main aim is for the Sunday Remembrance Day parade, where we all go in the Civic, then the Northup Band lead us all the way round, we march all the way round, and then when we come down here, it's unbelievable. There must be 300 to 400 people, and our memorial looked a mess. So we wanted funding to have it cleaned. I tried many funding organisations, but nothing was successful. Then I noticed on the Flintshire website they were doing a regeneration, and I didn't think we fit the criteria, but it was my last hope, and you know what, I never looked back. They are brilliant. Karen, Sian, Charlotte done wonders for us. As you can see what's happening here today, there's 30 planters and they're putting plants in it that are forever plants. You know, they won't die off. Through the regeneration scheme, this has all been done through them. We would never have had the funds for this. What funding we had, we spent on there. This, as I say, is unbelievable. And I can't thank the regeneration team for taking us through this, giving us what we've got here. We know in years to come, this will be the sort of thing that'll keep this place going.